Hello everyone, this is Jim from Battle Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 8th of June intraday analysis. On this video, we will just cover some news first, then we will just go ahead with our charts. This morning, we have received Japan GDP growth. So it has been reported as minus 0.1. That means no growth in Japan. So expectation was like that. Reason is they are just printing a lot of money to stimulate the market. But for consumption, for GDP growth, you need people. And Japan is a dying country. And in the coming years, we will see more on these kind of declines in the economy. All right, let's start with our first chart. As you can see here, we are just covering your dollar. Your dollar is in a tight channel right now. Actually, not so tight, but it's just trading in a balance these days. And we have seen really low levels. It has tested this level 1.03, and then from that level just made another up, and it has tested 1.08, and now it's trying to make this area for its trading line. So ECB, tomorrow's ECB rate decision will be critical, because when nobody's expecting any interest rates hike tomorrow's decision, but after decision Lagarde will just make some speeches, and then she will just tell the outlook of the monetary policy. If we just hear something more hawkish than expected, then we will just definitely see rising euro against dollar, because they are just in a but one important thing is for that is Italy. Italy is not on good economic conditions, so the things are just getting chaotic. So maybe because of that reason, they will just speak hawkish, but not so much. That's my prediction. All right, let's see what will happen. As I said, right now it's testing 107. If it can just hold these gains, so it will just try another 1.8, that one. But if it cannot be successful, it will just come back to 1.6 on this level. So this 4 hour is critical. All right, let's look at our second chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, our second chart is USD Japanese yen. As you can see here, USD Japanese yen is testing 20-year high levels. Why it's happening like that? Because Bank of Japan is only saying, all right, we are just going on in quantitative easing. They kind of printing a lot of money to support the companies in Japan, because domestic production and domestic consumption is really die off in Japan. And once the time goes on, so these companies are the big companies, they cannot let them fail. They are too big to fail, so they are just supporting them with bond buying programs, and then they are just expanding their balance sheet. And there are a lot of Japanese yen in the market. That makes, when there is something a lot of in the market, the price of that one goes down. It's happening like that. There's less dollar because a tightening has started, more Japanese yen, and because of this quantitative easing, so it's just going higher and higher. But at one point it should make some correction like this. Then we can just see from this point, as you can see, let's check RSI as well. It's just making like that, and similar to this one, a few points, maybe 2-3 points, maybe testing these levels, but still it's bullish in long term, as long as the stance, the view on economy, the Bank of Japan doesn't change. All right, that was USD Japanese yen. All right, our last chart is Tesla. Why we are covering Tesla? Because it's one of the key indicators in stock market of Nasdaq. When it's just people are just switching, just trading on these. A lot of traders are just trading Tesla because they see electric cars are the future, so they invest in the future. But these companies are actually, like Tesla is one of these companies like making profit, and the others are really bad. At least they are making some profit. And in China, we have seen lockdown and then related problems. But right now, it's trying to, as you can see here, it's trying to go higher than 700 levels. If it can manage these, we can see high levels. But I'm always saying, interest rate hikes in US will just cause a lot of problems for the stock markets in US, especially Nasdaq. Even just look at Elon Musk. He was saying that I feel super bad about this economic, and then he just like he made some cuts in workforce. So he's the owner of the company. He knows like he sees the moving of the market, the way the market moves. That's why we can be some bearish on this stock. If it cannot stay in here, we may see another $600 level try soon. Alright, thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news, and then we will just cover more charts with you. Have a nice day. Bye.